It's flashy.
It's not red. It's crimson.
It's not crimson, it's amaranth. And you're being ridiculous. Who are you trying to impress right now?
I'm trying to stand out, okay? Something you could learn about. Blue? Nice. Real original.
It's classic and it's elegant.
Boring.
It is not boring.
You hearing this guy? Unreal.
Gentlemen, good to see you all. Before we go any further, I want you all to acknowledge that to get this far, to get to this point, was no easy task. This group right here is the cream of the crop. You all deserve to be part of Sampson, Cooper, Jacobson, Adams, Kleinberg, and affiliates. We are the top firm in the All right. They're going to start bringing it in. It's obvious you all have the qualifications for the position, and I wish I could hire all of you, but my hands are tied. When you're ready, begin. The youngest are always the hungriest. Good work, Morgan. Bring them out now, please. How do they feel?
Tremendous.
We need people who can pick up the slack. Can you give him all the incomplete ones?
I cannot express my gratitude enough. Thank you, sir.
No problem. See you in the morning.